will now to connect wireless with the tablet to the sensor. For that we start the Vega Tools app. Here we decide first to go for the setup. Now the tablet is scanning all available sensors with Plicscom Bluetooth. We found 3 sensors and we decide for the sensor in the rear. We are now connecting to the sensor, and for security reasons we need to include a pin. Now we have the access to the parametration of the sensor on the other side of the river. We can go to the setup, choose the right application, which is valid. We are measuring water. Okay, now we want to change the min-max adjustment. I would like to change the distance from 4 meter to 3 meter. The data is being downloaded. You see, there is a full access to all the parametration data of the sensors. Which I would like to show you now is the possibility of diagnostic. For that, we go to the diagnostic functionality of the app. So again, sensor were scanned. We find again the 3 sensors with Plicscom Bluetooth, and we decide again to go to the Vega Pulse 61, which is the one on the rear. So now the data are loaded. You see on the top the green barrel. It shows that the sensor is okay. Now we have a first information about the level. We can select the second one. A very big and powerful tool for diagnostic is the echo curve. So let's have a look on the echo curve. You see, with the wireless solution with tablets, the parametration and diagnostic is very easy. The new Plicscom with Bluetooth, smart operation with tablets or smartphones. One app for all your sensors, easy operation or fast setup, always in your pocket.